Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be doing a part 2 to my case study on how I'm getting leads and signups with Facebook Reels. Okay, so Facebook is pushing a lot of Facebook Reels other than just normal lives and Facebook posts. Alright, this is another way you could get organic traffic. Okay, so here's my results so far. I've been posting. I just posted yesterday as well too, as you can see. Um, so people reached. It was over 16,000 people, 496, and then I'm getting a lot of engagement as well too. And then it's converting over to signups as well. And let's see. All right, so I got 67 people reached on this post or this reel, 200 people reached on this reel here, and then 982 people reached on this one. So pretty much over 1,000 people. And then let's go over to, let's see here, going over to my link tracker here, and I'm promoting Web Talk, so I'm just going to refresh this here. All right. So, I mean, it's not much over the last couple of days, but if you add it all up, then you can see it begins to pile up. So, all right. So I'm gonna go over back to my Facebook page, and then go into Insights here. Waiting for this to load. And I am getting more followers as well too. So you could grow your brand and business also while promoting any of your primary businesses. You could promote whatever your fan page is as well by getting followers to the actual fan page as well. Okay, so here's some other stats as well too. So post engagements this week, 4,800 people. All right, and this page, I just barely started this page like a month ago, and I hardly I barely started posting on it. So as you can see, there's a lot of engagement just by me posting a little bit. And like I said, there's not much. I haven't been posting much because Facebook is really pushing this out. All right, so let's see here. You could start by creating reels in Canva. It's free if you want to do that. And I have a video on how I created reels using Canva as well too. Now, if you want to join me in Facebook and I'm sorry, not Facebook. If you want to follow me on Web Talk, just go ahead and click on the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.